Hello everyone, we are back with another YouTube video. Okay, we are going to start our new course right now. In this video, I'm going to introduce a very basic knowledge with easy understanding of programming. Okay, that you are going to know what is programming, what is computer, and what are programming languages. How can it is give help in our daily life. Okay. First of all, if you are worrying about that you don't have any knowledge about programming or you don't have any IT background, then you don't need to worry, because in this course we are going a very simple introduction that everyone can easily understand without having any prior knowledge, right? Okay, now you are seeing on your screen that we have a presentation that programming languages workshop, and it covers coding, programming, Python, and data analysis, like very short introduction for the people who don't have any prior knowledge. Okay, first of all, what is programming? Programming is a computer. Actually, programming is just like writing the instruction for a recipe. The computer then follow these instructions. It does exactly what you tell it to do. So it's important that the instructions are written properly. Okay, what they're going to say in this video, what is programming? Programming is something that we are going to dictate, or we are going to give order to someone that do accordingly that I am going to say. Okay, that it will do as it is. If you are saying something or if you are giving command, like you do something like in your scenario it is right or wrong, but in computer or programming scenario they don't understand whether it is right or it is wrong. They will do just what you want them to do. Okay, just like they are giving the example of recipe. If you follow the recipe, then you have a dish at the end. Okay, same goes like if you are going to make a cake. Sorry. Okay, you are going to make a cake, then you have a introduction, like ingredients introduction, and you have a recipe. You will give like you need butter and something, eggs and sugar. Same programming will do to perform a task or to give end result. Okay, now what is programming language? Programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instructions that provide various kinds of output. Programming language is a language that understand by the computer, or we can write in a programming language so that a computer convert it into like a machine language, and it will get translated and give the desired output. It is used to create different type of programs, applications, and software. Okay, if you want to create a program, a simple program or a simple calculator, okay, how I am going to say to the computer that you can build me a calculator? How? So programming languages is for this purpose. Like we write in program, first we understand and learn what is the programming language, whether it can be any programming language like C, C sharp, Python, etc., whatever. Okay, if we write in that programming syntax, and computer is going to understand it and transform or translate according to our desire, or give us the desired output that we are going to command, that we give command in our language or in our program. Okay, there are many type of programming languages, as I told you before. Example: C, C sharp, C++, Python, assembly, and many more. You can Google it. You will get 1,000 of languages. You will get many languages. Okay, each programming language has its own syntax. Obviously, for suppose if you are living in a country that has many languages, if you are going to take example of Pakistan, Pakistan has Urdu, Punjabi, Balochi, Pashto, and Sindhi, Saraiki, etc. Many languages. So same goes with programming languages. They have many more, and they have their own syntax. Like we have our own grammar, they have their own syntax, rule, features, making it suitable for certain type of task or application. Some programming language has many more features, some has little features. Okay, depends how it works. Sorry, programming language, how it works. Okay, it will give you a little bit scenario how programming language works. First of all, we have a programming language. For suppose we are taking the example of Python here, a language used to create computer program and apps. There are many, such as JavaScript, Python, and C++. Any can be language. We are taking the example of Python. Okay, hard drive. When we write the program and save it, it will save into the hard drive. That save information permanently, like the brain, like our brain. Okay, that will save that program in the hard drive for long term until and unless we will delete it. Okay, RAM is short term of random access memory. It contains programs apps that are currently running. It will what RAM will do? It will load the program from our hard drive and put into the RAM for like faster processing. Okay, CPU. Now CPU is the brain of the computer, as we know. CPU short-term central processing unit, and is the very brain of the computer. It reads and carries out our instruction. What CPU will process the program that is loaded in the RAM according to the instruction. When we program, we write instruction, okay, or code in a file saved on the hard drive. That I give you the little bit introduction. It will written like in a form of this. Okay, you can easily understand the whole flow chart in terms of flow. When we start the program, it is moved over to RAM from where? From hard drive or hard disk, and line by line code is translated and ready for execution. Okay, in Python we can say it will be translated in line by line, and if we talk about C language, then it will be like translated or interpreted as a whole program. Then program is executed according to the given instruction. Okay, we are going to stop here. We will until next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.